Sky Space, the Royal Tantra on the Great Perfection of Bodhicitta. We will not realize what we hunt for, yet there is nothing that we do not hunt for. We do not find anything. This is the reason we are tired. Self-originating clear light is a space of great bliss. From the primordial, it has resembled the heart of the sun. It is an abode that is equal to the sky. It absolutely does not have any edge or center, any great or small. With unmoving wisdom, we are clear in a single moment. This is not gradual. It does not arise from any cause. We do not visualize any conditions. It is pervasively encompassing, like the end of the sky. It is like a painting of 1,000 suns in the sky. Total illumination has no obstructions. It is clear in a single moment. In a heart essence that is beyond middles and extremes, our self-luminosity is the clear light of a single moment. So, in a single moment, omniscience dawns on us clearly. Primordial clarity is unchanging, and from the swastika comes a virtue like the light of the sun. It is like a gem that is beyond strife. The pleasures that we desire fall on us like rain. This virtue is a great and spontaneous realization, and from it our compassion spreads out like the sky. Our blessings shine like 1,000 suns. Our deeds and practices are not partisan. They are spontaneously realized. Unobstructed wisdom brings us all together. We enter the light of the wheel of self-luminosity. This is us, the akanishta that is meaningful. It is a genuinely exalted. It is not possible to measure it. The proper akanishta is the dominion of the Dharma. It is a mandala for those who are not proper. An infinite palace that has no center or boundary. It holds the jewel ornament of blazing wisdom. It is the abode where the Buddhas of the 3 times reside. They dwell in the excellence of the clear light of awareness. From Sky Space, the Great Tantra on the Bodhicitta, this is Chapter 8, Teaching Greatness.